Hello, I'm Peter Towers. Welcome to ESS BIZTOOLS Members Alert. This month in Members Alert we've given you a further update on the early stage innovation company product which we have developed for you to start using. We've rebadged the calculator as the ESS calculator, and I would urge you to have a look at the calculator and try it out. And if you have any comments or suggestions or criticisms, please send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au, because we really want this product to be an outstanding contributor to you to assist in having discussions with companies who believe they are eligible for the status of early stage innovation company. We've also updated the new ESS BIZTOOLS site. BIZTOOLS has been developed to enable us to supply more information to assist in the marketing and promotion of our business advisory services products. And at the same time, we are offering standalone subscriptions to people who just want to buy a subscription to one or two of our products. So on ESS BIZTOOLS, you have the 11 training modules. Each of them have a webinar to assist in the understanding of what that product is for. And within the business advisory services products, the first one that's been fully developed is the early stage innovation company product package, which includes a training webinar, the ESS calculator, and then some marketing material that we've specifically produced that hopefully you will find beneficial. And this includes an improving your bottom line article, which has been prepared by us so that you could use that to promote the concept of early stage innovation companies to your clients and your prospects. We've prepared a special article that if you wish you can place on your website. So we're calling that the subscribers website article. And we've also prepared a special seminar webinar that you can utilize to promote early stage innovation companies to your clients and prospects. So hopefully those marketing initiatives will assist you to get the message out to the Australian business community, but in particular to the young entrepreneurs, the new companies, bearing in mind that the most beneficial age for a company for ESSIC is under 3 years old. To get the message out that you are proactive and able to assist them, first of all to determine whether under the self-assessment rules they could claim themselves to be an ESSIC, and then of course to help them in the investment readiness phase, which is the really important concept. We've also forwarded to you a little article we've written which we've called the ESSIC story, and we've tried to track back what the history might be of someone who is potentially a client for you on the early stage innovation company. So they might have started doing some research and development. They've then decided they need to raise some money from somewhere, whether it's a loan or capital, and you could then indicate to them that the government has introduced this new legislation on early stage innovation companies, and as you have the ESS calculator, you can determine fairly quickly whether they are going to meet the eligibility criteria, and you could then help them to prepare budgets, cash flow forecasts, business plans, all of the investment readiness items, and then subsequent to that assist them in getting ready to be able to make investment presentations, investment pitches. If you have any requests for new material to be developed by ESS BIZTOOLS, we would love to hear from you. Our tax editor, Jeff Pringle, has been asking me to talk to you about, is there other items relative to tax, particularly targeted at small medium enterprise, that you would like to see articles on included within ESS BizTools. So if you have any requests, please send them to us. What we are planning to do over the next 6 months or so is to develop a product based around research and development. When the legislation is passed for the crowdfunding equity raising entities, we will develop a full product for that as well. This month's edition of Members Alert includes the grant closing dates, as we've been doing for the last few months. So if you are working on any grants, and these particularly relate in the various states and territories, you can go onto ESS BizTools and check the closing dates for those grant applications. We're about to release Business Plus for August. In this month's edition, we've included part 2 on, do you want to form an early stage innovation company? It's the conclusion of that particular article. We have some exporting news thanks to the Export Finance Insurance Corporation. Export market development grant applications for exporters and potential exporters closes on the 30th of November 2016. Just remember, if you have a client who is proposing to export or is actually exporting, their first claim year under the Export Market Development Grant can in fact be over a 2-year period. So have a look at that, and the full article is within the ESS BizTools library. And if you've got any questions on Export Market Development Grants, please let us know. We've written an article this month on retail pricing. We're going to break it into 2 parts. So part 1 on retail pricing, which we hope your clients will find beneficial. On a marketing subject, we've included a article, Your Competitive Edge is Important. It's very important that both within an accounting business but also with your clients, you're continually referring to the competitive edge and making sure your clients fully appreciate that. Managing difficult employees is a challenge for every person in a management position, and obviously all of your clients fall into that category. So this month we have prepared an article based on a seminar that I attended a couple of months ago, produced by Employ Sure, and hopefully this information will give you some interesting items to talk to your clients about. And Jeff Pringle, our tax writer, has written an article on the investor opportunities from early stage innovation companies. Up to this stage, we have concentrated on the companies. Well, obviously, this legislation also requires another very important group, the investors. So Jeff's commented on the tax offset that an investor can potentially earn, of course, as long as the company is accepted by the tax office as being an early stage innovation company, and also the capital gains tax exemption, which applies from the end of year 1 to the day before year 10. That is the capital gains tax free period, exemption period under the legislation. So that's an update on Members Alert and Business Plus for the month of August. If you have any questions, comments, criticisms, we'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you very much for your support of ESS BizTools and ESS BizGrants. And don't forget the ESS Small Business site, which we are using to target small medium enterprises. And we do have our database there of accountants and advisors who are our members, who have given permission for your information to be displayed. And we are encouraging the small businesses that visit www.esssmallbusiness.com.au to contact the accountants, advisors who are listed. All they have to do is input their postcode. If you believe that any of your clients would be interested in visiting that site, please let us know, because we're quite happy to send to you the survival hints for small business articles that we are producing and distributing around Australia virtually every week, trying to encourage small, medium enterprise operators to visit the small business website. So once again, thank you for your support. Have a wonderful month in August, and I look forward to talking to you again in September. Goodbye.